basically how to not get in trouble, either whether it is like by hard rules or by what you believe that should be done.
My class covers the basic principles of legal dealings of business, such as contracts and remedies for breach contracts, etc.
Sophomore at Indiana University at the Kelley School, taking business law, and we have learned about negligence and torts in contracts so far. And that's about it. Thank you.
Business law and ethics is just making sure that all of your actions represent how you want the company to look to the general public.
Got a farewell card for Debbie Brown. I thought maybe you'd like to sign it. Maybe throw a couple of bucks in there for her. She's got some children. I feel terrible about Debbie Brown. She got fired because of Dwight. So I thought I'd pass around a goodbye card. Maybe everyone could put in a couple of bucks to help her through these difficult times. Why do bad things always happen to the good people? It's tragic. It's just tragic.
Various weaponry strategically placed around the office. I saved Jim's life with a can of pepper spray I had velcroed under my desk. People say, oh, it's dangerous to keep weapons in the home or the workplace. Well, I say, it's better to be hurt by someone you know accidentally than by a stranger on purpose.
Hey, you want to have sex? Hey, who you doing for lunch? Dance! Whoa, boy!
Antitrust is laws that ensure that competition remains fair by prohibiting companies from merging with one another or acquiring one another to form monopolies in a certain area.
Bankruptcy has laws that let the company that is having financial problems seek protection from the demands of creditors. Chapter 11 of the Bankruptcy Code regulates liquidation, which means closing the company and selling its assets to creditors. And Chapter 7 regulates reorganizations, which means a court-supervised restructuring of a company while its creditors wait for payment.
Business organizations are laws that govern the formation of a business. Consumer protection and product liability are regulations regarding products, services, and credit practices. Consumers should be able to assume that products will work and food is safe to eat, which is FDA regulated. Also, a company cannot knowingly sell a product that it believes will be unsafe or harmful for its intended use. Contracts are legally binding exchanges of promises or agreement between parties that the law will enforce.
Intellectual property protects copyrights, trademarks, and patents. Securities regulation, governed by the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. Its policy is the financial markets regarding insider trading, stock price manipulation, improper financial reporting, and improper and illegal practices at brokerage firms.
Employment, which are laws that regulate the hours and conditions under which people work, such as child labor laws, sets minimum wage, and expands the rights of disabled people. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, or the EEOC, enforces these laws. The Department of Business Law and Ethics at the Kelley School of Business has 15 full-time professors. Their department is one of the largest and most well-respected in the nation. Every member of the faculty holds a JD degree, and that is a legal studies major. Most students in the Department of Business Law and Ethics graduate with a legal studies major, and hundreds of Kelley students choose this major and/or take classes under this major. Students in this major focus on critical reasoning skills, gaining excellent preparation for positions in consulting, risk management, and litigation support. Legal studies majors will also examine the business-government relationship, helping pave the way for a variety of positions in the public sector. Possible job opportunities for this major include consulting, risk management, legal auditing, and government and/or other law-related fields. It is also a good background for graduate work in areas such as public administration, business, and law. The lowest 10% in this profession have earned $41,910, while the highest 10% are earning more than $130,000.